Greetings traders and welcome back to my new video, and today I'm once again showing you that there is nothing that's impossible with binary options. You can make money from 20, 10, 5, even $1 and get to a comfortable position in your life when you're making $300, $400 and even $500 every single day by spending simply 10 to 15 minutes in the market. Now, of course, there are things that we need to learn before we get Now, of course, there are things that you need to learn before you will be able to achieve those goals, but I have everything that you need to start learning and to become this well-rounded trader that will be able to secure his life by simply going into the market, spotting a nice profitable situation and performing a trade and getting your money. So if you want to learn how to do that, make sure to check out my Telegram group. The link is in the description below. You can become a member right now. It is completely free, and also you will be able to trade with me every single day. I give out free signals in my trading group, so join, don't hesitate. And now let's get into trading and start our trading session. Let's go. All right, for today's trading session, $45 of starting capital, 3 minutes expiration time for each trade, 30 seconds time frame for our candles. Pretty standard settings. 3 minutes is a bit higher than I usually go, but today I think this is going to go well. Now, for the trading assets, as always, highest payout ones. There's plenty of that today, so let's select 4, and I think we're gonna try to make $400, maybe $500 and see how this goes from $45, of course. But before we do that, we also need an indicator. For today's indicator, we're going to use stochastic oscillator, a beautiful tool that will help you a lot with placing and figuring out where the price is heading. So add that to your chart. Default settings, don't have to change anything. And already I see my first trade. Very simple. This is a very obvious uptrend. You can see on stochastic oscillator the same thing, a strong impulse in the upwards direction. So we simply follow this trend. We have strong bullish candles all across the chart here on our local time frame. So let's go ahead and observe our first win of the day. Let's go. Great trade here. Oh, this is getting closer than I would like it to, and luckily for us, we get the win and we get $86 already. This was closer than I expected. We got a red candle appear here, and there you go. You see the green candle finally starting to move up. This is what I was waiting for, but as I say, sometimes a little bit of luck will go a long way, and we got the win, so that's all that matters. Our analysis came correct. So let's move on to Swiss franc, Japanese yen. This is going to be our next trade, and we're going to observe what's going on here. And I already see what I need to do. Just 1 second, looking at the chart, I already understand the trade that I need to make. This is an obvious sell position. We have a downtrend. Look at stochastic moving down rapidly, strong impulse into the downwards direction. We have price channel, and we have way stronger bearish impulses. So this only solidifies my decision to take a sell position. And also, if you look at the chart, you can see that there is a strong bullish movement after the price channel with a breakout, and usually that also means that the price is going to be mirrored in the opposite direction after the move is done. So now I'm expecting a strong bearish mirroring of this situation. So let's observe if this is true and if we get our second win of the day. Let's go. Was a very slow ramp up, still not decided if we get a win or not, so we have to wait. And there it is, we do get the win, $166. Very nice. I did expect the impulse come earlier, but here it is, it's finally starting. So we were arriving a little bit early there, but it is what it is, and we get the win. And guys, for those who actually want to trade, I am opening up a elite trading group for people who actually want to make not only a living of trading, but actually become a full-blown professionals and understand every single decision they make in the market. Now, this trading group is going to be available only for people who go through an interview with me. There is not a lot of spots in my group, and once you become a member of that group, you will receive not only the signals for trades that I do personally, but you will also receive a full breakdown on each trade that I do. You'll receive the analysis that I perform to place the trade. There are going to be short-term trades, more long-term trades, sometimes an hour trade. So if you want to know what news I'm following, what I'm reading, and what I'm performing before placing every single trade, then make sure to send me a message on Telegram at @Android_pro and we can talk about it. But once again, this is for people who are really determined to learn how to make money from basically thin air. But we're also gonna learn a lot of information that's going to be helpful for you in the long run. You're going to understand the thought process behind every single trade that I do, and not only that, but you will also get access to all of the early trading robots that we are going to release and update in the future. We are heavily focusing on AI, artificial intelligence, and there's going to be plenty of updates and new things coming your way, and you're going to be the first one to receive access to those. And also, private trading group is not going anywhere, it's still here, so make sure to send me a message and become a member of that if you want to have access to all the current trading robots, tutorials, tips, tricks, and much more available for you there. Full trading sessions. So become a member. Same thing, send me a message on Telegram at @Android_pro or check the links in the description below. And now let's proceed and continue trading and see if we can finish this trading session with 4 wins or 5 wins. We'll see how it goes. Let's go. Alright, so on Australian dollar, Japanese yen, we are looking once again at a situation that is very simple. As soon as I open this chart, I already understand what is happening. We have a strong resistance level here. The price is going to go down. Let's change our trading amount to $165. And this is going to be a sell position. The price has once again reached the resistance level, and from this point on, you can see on stochastic it's heading downwards, exiting overbought conditions. So sell position as a result. Simple trade. Let's observe the third trade of the day. Let's go. Finally, a trade with good lead, and we are finishing in a few seconds, and there we have it, $317 in less than 10 minutes from $45 only. Let's finish our trading session with one more trade. This is gonna put us over $600 of profit. So this is a beautiful trading session, and same thing once again. How easy and how great this market is today. Very nice. Once again, sell position on this chart for the same reasons we've had on the previous chart. We are at a resistance level. The price has reached historical maximum, and from this point we're going to see a birth of a new downtrend. So we're simply following the trend early before it's fully established. So just like that, we make easy money. So let's go ahead, skip to the end of this option and collect our funds. Let's go. And just like that, guys, we are finally finishing the trading session. 4 trades back to back, $600 of profit from $40 only. And there we have it. Beautiful trading session. And once again, I'm not going to go into details. Now I have an exclusive VIP trading group for people who are determined and want to be the best at what they do. So join for all the exclusive content, for all the upcoming content. Send me a message, once again, only through the interview. And if you want to join my private trading group, then you can do so as well by simply sending me a message on Telegram at @Android_. Now, I want you to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have anything to ask. I hope you're having a blessed day, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.